Hi guys, let's understand question 4. Verify mean value theorem if fx is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3 in the interval closed interval a comma b where a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 4. The answer is condition for mean value theorem is, I don't really know what is the symbol, semicolon type. So let's ignore that. It is not even important in mean value theorem. Condition for mean value theorem is f is continuous in a closed interval a comma b, f is differentiable in open interval a comma b, then there exists a c in a comma b such that f dash c is equal to fb minus fa upon b minus a. It is given that fx is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3 and interval is 1 comma 4. Now f is a polynomial function fx is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3 is continuous in 1 comma 4 and differentiable in 1 comma 4 open interval 1 comma 4, and f of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 3 which is equal to 1 minus 7 that is equal to minus 6, and f of 4 is equal to 4 square minus 4 into 4 minus 3 which is equal to 16 minus 16 minus 3 which is equal to 16 minus 19 which is equal to minus 3. Then by mean value theorem we can say that there exists a c in 1 comma 4 such that f dash c is equal to fb minus fa upon b minus a. Therefore f dash c is equal to f of 4 minus f of 1 upon 4 minus 1. F dash c is equal to minus 3 minus of minus 6 upon 3. F dash c is equal to 3 upon 3. F dash c is equal to 1. Now f dash x is equal to 2x minus 4. F dash c is equal to 2c minus 4. 1 is equal to 2c minus 4. 2c is equal to 5. C is equal to 5 by 2. And c is equal to 5 by 2 belongs to 1 comma 4. Hence, mean value theorem is verified for the function fx is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3.